everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be continuing with our exercise 14.2. So the name of the chapter is factorization. Alright, we have done question number 1, 6 parts in our previous video. So we'll be starting with part number 7 of question number 1 only. Alright, so question number 1 says factorize the following expressions. So हमें expressions को factorize करना है. That too we know that we were doing that by third method, which is using the identities. So seventh part is L plus M whole square minus 4 LM. So this is our seventh part. So अभी तक जो हमने six parts करे हैं, in that parts we were using both these identities, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. But ये थोड़ा different है. इसमें हमें a plus b whole square तो दिख रहा है, but साथ में we know that we have one extra term. So let's start solving this a plus b whole square by this identity. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. और जो साथ में extra term है उसको as it is carry forward करते हैं, as we have done in previous questions also. So we are using the identity a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Alright, so now a plus b whole square means a square, means this is a, L is a and m is b here. Okay, so a square is L square, b plus 2ab plus 2 as it is, a is L, b is m, right, plus b square means m square. इतना clear है? L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4lm as it is we have to write. Okay, minus 4lm we cannot forget to write because this is also in our expression only. So this is a square L square plus 2ab means 2lm plus m square minus 4lm. So now let's check, is there any like term which we can equate? So this is L square, this is m square, ये दोनों तो separate हैं, 2lm and minus 4lm. Yes, we can equate them. ठीक है, so always carry forward the extra term, वो हमेशा equate होके solve हो जाएगी. So this would be L square as it is plus m square as it is, 2lm plus 2lm minus 4lm plus 2 minus 4 plus minus minus 2 and sign negative because 4 is greater. It means we will get minus 2 L m as the answer. So ये हो गया हमारे पास L square m square minus 2lm. So आप इसको observe करो and check कि अभी इसमें और कोई identity apply हो रही है. So yes children, L square m square minus 2lm, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square. So यहाँ पे अब हम दूसरी identity apply कर रहे हैं, which is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So अब हम इसमें ये वाली minus वाली identity apply करेंगे and what we'll get? We'll get L minus m whole square. So this is our answer children. Don't get confused. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने लीव नहीं किया बिकॉज इसमें एक और आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई हो रही है विच इज a minus b whole square because we have a square, we have b square, we have minus 2ab. ठीक है, so a minus b whole square ऐसे करके हम इस आंसर को लीव कर सकते हैं, right? So this was our seventh part of question number 1, right? L minus m whole square. So this was our seventh part children. Now proceeding to the last part of question number 1, part number 8. Now, eighth part of question number 1 is a raised to the power 4 plus 2a squared b squared plus b raised to the power 4. So now what we can see here, अभी यहाँ पे a square नहीं है, we have a raised to the power 4 and b raised to the power 4. So it doesn't matter, we can write this as a square whole square. So ये हो गया a square, right? So this will work as a square. ठीक है? Similarly, we can write b raised to the power 4 as b square whole square. So हो गया b square, b square अंदर कुछ भी हो उसका square means b square. So this is b square. अब ये a square है, ये b square है, so automatically this will be 2ab. ठीक है? And बीच में है positive sign. It means we'll apply the first identity a plus b whole square. So we'll be applying a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Alright, so this is our identity. Now a square means a square का भी whole square because we have a raised to the power 4 and b square means b square का भी whole square, right? So this is a square हो गया, b square हो गया, तो plus 2ab तो बहुत easy है, plus 2 as it is, a is this and b is this. a तो a square है and b is b square here. So this is a right here and this is b. So a plus a square plus 2ab plus b square will give us a plus b whole square. So it means this is a, this is b, बीच में positive sign whole square. This is our answer, a plus b whole square. Alright, so this is our answer for part number 8, question number 1. A square plus b square whole square. Alright, so we can write this as, हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ये भी आंसर हो सकता है, and हम इसको ऐसे भी लीव कर सकते हैं that a square plus b square, a square plus b square. 2 times लिख देंगे because we have raised to the power 2. So this is our answer for part number 8, question number 1. So again we applied the same identity, a plus b whole square. So children, this was question number 1. We have done all the parts of question number 1 now, and now we will be starting with question number 2 right after this. So if you have any doubt in question number 1, you can write in our comment section below. We used the identities to solve the factorize the expressions. Alright, coming to question number 2 now. Now, question number 2 of exercise 14.2 says factorize. Okay, and the first part is 4p square minus 9q square. So this is our part number 1. Now we have 2 terms in this expression. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square नहीं बन सकता. Why? Because p square q square separate दे रखे हैं, right? So children, we have one more identity. हमने in our introduction video as well we did 3 identities. एक तो ये a plus b whole square, एक a minus b whole square. One more we have which is a plus b a minus b which is equals to a square minus b square. ठीक है, so we have minus sign in between. It means we can apply the third identity which is a square minus b square, right? So 4p square, अब अभी जो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है q square p square, दैट इज विथ द वेरिएबल्स ओनली. ओके, नंबर्स के साथ, कांस्टेंट्स के साथ, सॉरी कोफिशिएंट्स के साथ कोई भी स्क्वायर नहीं है. सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 2p होल स्क्वायर, बिकॉज 2p होल स्क्वायर विल गिव अस 4p स्क्वायर ओनली, माइनस 9 किसका स्क्वायर होता है, 3q होल स्क्वायर. सो 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. So this is a square minus b square now, where 2p is a and 3q is b. So a square minus b square will give us a plus b, a minus b. So using identity a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. ये आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करेंगे हम इसमें. So what we get, a square minus b square means a plus b means 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q is the answer. This is the answer, children. 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q. Okay, so these are the three identities जो हम वाइस वर्सा अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हेन वी हैव, जब हमारे पास एक एक्सप्रेशन होता है, वी विल चेक, वी विल ऑब्जर्व कि हमारे पास तीनों में से कौन सी आइडेंटिटी उसमें अप्लाई हो रही है. सो दिस वाज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी अप्लाइड a प्लस b, a माइनस b इन दिस पार्ट. ओके, सो आंसर इज 2p प्लस 3q, 2p minus 3q. So this was part number 1 of question number 2, children. Now proceeding to part number 2. Let's start with the second part now. So the second part is 63a square minus 112b square, right? Now जब भी हमारे पास ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, फर्स्ट वी चेक दैट जो हमारे पास जो कोफिशिएंट है, इज दैट अ स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर और नॉट, राइट? तो इन आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन आल्सो वी हैड 4 and 9, so 4 square of 2, 9 square of 3, but when we look at this number, children, 63, अब ये तो किसी का भी स्क्वायर नहीं होता, and similarly 112 also, it's not a square of any number. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? See, जब भी ऐसा कभी होता है दैट वी डू नॉट हैव द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एनी नंबर, या फिर हमारा कुछ सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा होता, आइडेंटिटी नहीं अप्लाई हो रही होती, लाइक इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई एनी ऑफ द थ्री आइडेंटिटीज. ठीक है, बिकॉज स्क्वायर ही नहीं है अगर, तो हम उसको कैसे लिख देंगे रेज टू द पावर 2, राइट? सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज कम टू द फर्स्ट स्टेप, कॉमन लेने वाला स्टेप. टेक कॉमन. इट इज़ एज्यूम दैट जब आप कॉमन लोगे मे बी फिर वो किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर बन जाए. सो चिल्ड्रन 63 कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 7, वी ऑल नो दैट, राइट? सो 7 9 63 होता है. सो 9, यस, अगर हम इसमें से 7 कॉमन ले लेंगे 9 बचेगा. सो 9 वुड बी द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 देन, राइट? एंड सिमिलरली चिल्ड्रन 112 चेक करते हैं क्या 7 की टेबल में 112 आता है. सो 7 112, so 7 1s are 7, so 11 minus 7 is 4 and 2 as it is. So 42, and we know that 7 6 are 42 होता है. It means yes, 7 16s are 112. It means children यहाँ पे this is 7 into 9, right? So अगर ये 7 into 9 है, इसमें से 7 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? Like 63 is 7 into 9 and 112 is 7 into 16. So 7 दोनों में से कॉमन ले लेंगे. So what will be left? 9 a square minus 16 b square, right? 7 दोनों में से हमने कॉमन ले लिया. So what we got? 9 a square minus 16 b square. And now children, 9 is the square of 3 and 16 is the square of 4. So we got our number जो कि perfect squares हैं. I hope this concept is clear. Always whenever there is some problem in solving, कोई identity apply नहीं हो रही, solve नहीं हो रहा, always remember we can take common. Common लेके हमारा आंसर जो बचेगा, हो सकता है उसमें कोई identity apply हो जाए. So this is left now. This 7 would be as it is now. This would be 3a whole square minus 4b whole square, because 9 is the square of 3 and 16 is the square of 4, right? So we get a square minus b square, right? So we'll apply a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. ये वाली आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करेंगे हम यहाँ पे. So what we'll get? 3a plus 4b, 3a minus 4b, and we cannot forget this 7. 7 जो हमने कॉमन लिया था वो as it is आंसर में भी कॉमन ही रहेगा. So the answer is 7, 3a plus 4b, 3a minus 4b. Yes, so 7, 3a plus 4b, 3a minus 4b. This is the answer, children. Alright, I hope this part is clear to you. Part number 2 of question number 2. हमने इसमें कॉमन लिया so as to solve it using the identity. कॉमन लेने के बाद इसमें आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई हो गई. a square minus b square. Okay, so this was the second part, children. Now proceeding to part number 3. Let's start with our part number 3 of question number 2, which says 49x square minus 36. Again, we can see 49 is the square of 7 and 36 is the square of 6. So we can write this as 7x whole square minus 6 whole square. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है, doesn't matter. 6 whole square is 36. So a square minus b square. Again, ये बहुत easy simple question है. So we can apply, this is a, this is b. So we can apply a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Right? So we get a is 7x. So 7x plus 6 and 7x minus 6. This is the answer. Now we cannot further solve it because अब इसमें कुछ भी similar नहीं है, कोई भी identity भी apply नहीं हो रही. So this is the answer. 7x plus 6, 7x minus 6. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A is 7x, b is 6. Alright, so this was our third part of question number 3. Now let's proceed to the fourth one. The fourth part of question number 2 is 16x raised to the power 5 minus 144 x cube. Right? Now, अब यहाँ पे हम again we cannot square it directly because x 5 times है and x 3 times है. It is not a even number or multiple of 2. So what we can do is again let's take common. Common लेके क्या होगा children? जो ब्रैकेट में x या फिर कोफिशिएंट्स बचेंगे वो exactly एक आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई कर पाएंगे. So this is x 5 times, right? And this is 16 children. अब 16 है and 144 है. Let's see 144 16 की टेबल में आता है या फिर नहीं आता है. Because we have to take common now. 144 divided by 16 करते हैं. 16 8 जा करके देखते हैं. 8 6 42. So 2 here 4 carry. 8 1 8 9 10 11 12. 122 children. So children 8 6 48 and 8 1 8. So 128 children. No. So 16 9 था करके देखते हैं. 9 6 54. So 5 here. 9 1 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So yes, 16 9s 144 होता है. Yes. So 16 9s 144. So it means we can take 16 common. And 16 common लेंगे अगर हम तो यहाँ पे बचेगा 9. Right? So we'll take 16 common. And x कितनी बार common आ सकता है? We have x 5 times here and x 3 times here. So we can take x 3 times common from all both the term. So अब 16 common आ गया, x 3 times common आ गया. So x 2 times बचा. See, we have 16 into x into x into x into x into x. Right? So अब हमने 16 common ले लिया, x common ले लिया, x common ले लिया, x common ले लिया. So क्या बचा? 2 times x. Right? So x square minus as it is यहाँ पे 9 because 16 9s are 144. That's it because x cube is common. Right? So अभी हमने common लिया 16x cube and we are left with x square minus 9. Now 16x cube as it is, x square minus 9 can be written as 3 square. So a square minus b square again applied. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. वही आइडेंटिटी हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे and we'll be getting 16x square as it is, x minus 3x plus 3. This is the answer. 16x cube we cannot forget, right? This is x cube not square. 16x cube, 16x cube. 16x cube into x minus 3x plus 3. Right? So this was our fourth part of question number 2. 16x cube, x plus 3 and x minus 3. So you see, if we cannot apply the identity directly, we will take common and then we can apply the identity. Right? Okay, so this was the fourth part of question number 2. Now let's start with the fifth part. So the fifth part of question number 2 is L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. Now L plus m whole square minus L minus whole square. Children, this can be solved by two methods. What we can observe is, first we can see this is a square minus b square, which will give us a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square भी apply हो रही है, and what we can do is a plus b whole square इधर apply कर दिया and a minus b whole square इधर apply कर दिया. Two different identities we can apply and one single identity also apply हो रही है. So we can solve it by two methods and we will be discussing both the methods, right? So पहले हम करते हैं a square minus b square से. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b, right? So according to this identity, our a is L plus m, ये पूरा a है and ये पूरा b है. So a square minus b square will give us a plus b, means a is L plus m, b is L minus m. a plus b कर दिया. अब करना है a minus b. So a is again L plus m and b is L minus m. बट अब माइनस करना है, so L minus m ब्रैकेट में आएगा. I told you जब भी हमें माइनस करना होता है तो अंदर वाले साइन चेंज होते हैं. दैट्स वाई मैंने अभी इसको ब्रैकेट में नोट डाउन किया. नाउ दिस इज a plus b, a minus b. So m से m कैंसिल, प्लस m माइनस m, दिस वुड बी 2l. ठीक है, L plus L 2l. दिस वुड बी L plus m माइनस L plus m. So अब यहाँ से L और L कैंसिल, प्लस L माइनस L. So we have 2l into 2m. 2l into 2m. So basically our answer would be 4ln. 4ln is the answer. But this is the answer from this identity, जहाँ पे हमने इसको a square minus b square assume किया. बट मैंने आपको बताया ये एक और मेथड से हो सकता है, which is a plus b whole square इधर अप्लाई कर दिया and a minus b whole square इधर अप्लाई कर दिया. So let's solve this by that method also now. So L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square, ये है हमारे पास. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे a plus b whole square अप्लाई होगा and यहाँ पे a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we have to apply both these identities in this question. So a plus b whole square, this is a, this is b, right? Similarly this is a and this is b. So a plus b whole square, a square means L square plus 2 lm plus b square is m square. ये तो हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट, फर्स्ट टर्म. अब माइनस एज इट इज आएगा यहाँ पे एंड आवर सेकेंड टर्म वुड बी a square minus 2ab. So minus 2lm plus m square, right? Now we have negative sign here. So again अंदर वाले ब्रैकेट के सारे साइन change. So let's open the brackets. Now we have L square plus 2lm plus m square minus L square plus 2lm minus m square. ठीक है, so L square and L square cut, positive m square negative m square, L square. ठीक है, positive m square negative m square cut. So we have 2lm plus 2lm which will again give us 4lm children. So our answer comes out to be same from both the methods, 4lm 4lm. So children, एक आइडेंटिटी को एक एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए बहुत सारे वेज हो सकते हैं. जैसे इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी कैन, इसमें हमने पार्ट 1 में हमने इसको a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर l प्लस एम को a लेट कर लिया एंड l माइनस एम को b लेट कर लिया. सिमिलरली इन आवर सेकेंड पार्ट हमने इधर सेपरेट आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करी एंड इधर separate identity apply kari and we got our answer from that also. So both the methods our answer is same, so we can use any of the method, but according to me the first one is more easier. Okay, so this was our part number 5 of question number 2. Now part number 6, 7 and 8 are still left and those parts we'll be discussing in our next video now. All right, so stay tuned for my next video. We'll be continuing from here only and discussing part number 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so stay tuned for that video. I'm signing up right here, and if you have any doubt you can ask in our comment section below. I'll surely reply, and practice more of these type of questions, because this chapter is very important from the examination point of view, and also students do silly mistakes in these questions. प्लस माइनस की मिस्टेक हो गई, पॉजिटिव की नेगेटिव साइन लगा के साइन चेंज नहीं किया, ऑल द आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.